Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make kefir with coconut milk. First, gather your ingredients, active kefir grains, and a can of full-fat coconut milk. Make sure the coconut milk has no added sugars or thickeners for optimal fermentation. You'll also need a clean glass jar, a non-metal stirring utensil, and a breathable cover like a coffee filter or cheesecloth. This process is simple and yields a delicious, probiotic-rich beverage. To begin, gently place your active kefir grains into the clean glass jar. Pour 1 to 2 cups of full-fat coconut milk over the grains. Stir gently with a non-metal spoon to ensure the grains are fully submerged. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth, like cheesecloth, and secure it with a rubber band. Let it ferment at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 12 to 24 hours. After fermentation, you'll notice the coconut milk has thickened and developed a tangy aroma. Carefully strain the mixture through a fine mesh, non-metal sieve into a clean container. The kefir grains will remain in the sieve, ready for your next batch. Store your freshly made coconut milk kefir in the refrigerator, where it will last for about 5 to 7 days. Remember to rinse your grains gently with non-chlorinated water if you're not starting a new batch immediately. For a thicker, tangier kefir, you can extend the fermentation time slightly, but avoid over-fermenting, which can lead to separation. If your kefir isn't fermenting well, try refreshing your grains in a small amount of fresh coconut milk for a day or two. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade coconut milk kefir as a healthy drink or in smoothies. It's a fantastic way to boost your gut health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.